we're back with an update video. As you can see, there's a turbo kit on here. This is a Amazon turbo kit / eBay turbo kit. You can purchase it from either side. So we've been doing it. We put in a lot of work, and we've been pushing since we never know when we're gonna get called out for work. So, let's go over some things. Fuel pressure regulator. With the boost reference on there. It's in from Holly. Thanks to Greg's budget turbo bills. So he was a big help on that. I didn't want to pay for the air motive because, wife was already kind of complaining. I've been trying to not spend as much as she, spend within her range where she's not complaining a lot. I think a Spectre intake, 4-inch intake, plenum with the Edelbrock on there. I just put on today, along with the Edelbrock intake. Just put on today since we had some time in breaking weather. Along with this turbo kit, it's going to require you to put a oil relocation on here because of how close the header sits. So be wary of that if you purchase this kit for $302 versus having one made. Because I'm pretty sure if you had one made, you could always extend the headers out some more and run your normal oil filter. But it is what it is. I like the kit for the price I made. One of the drawbacks of the turbo kit is that, and the second is going to be the wastegate. Wastegate is a 4-bolt, so you're going to either take it to a fabrication shop, welder, or another performance shop and either put on your own V-band or 2-bolt, or you're going to have to find a 4-bolt wastegate, which I've heard gets a little pricey. So same distributor from last time. We're going to be probably upgrading for a, I forgot what distributor, either a MSD or I forgot the name, but it's on the tip of my tongue. But forget about that. We got a Most Plus fuel pump in the back with the fuel cell hooked up, ready to go. It flows, I believe, 300 liter per hour. PSI, maximum PSI is probably around 60 PSI, which is great. It's going to provide all the fuel we need. Got all the A and fuel lines ran and everything. That one's leaking on the bottom a little bit, so we're probably going to end up replacing that one just to be safe on the safe side. Whole thing is about being safe. Along with that, not much more to go. And I think I screwed myself because I don't remember if I replaced I think I took out the gasket on one side and forgot to replace it, so we might be taking an intake back off later on down the week, since this is my week off on call. And another one quick thing is we have a electronic oil pressure sensor running to our. Let me hook up take the battery really quick to here. Nope. Let me see if I can. Come here. There we go. Put back on there. Yeah, I just got the battery charging. So the only drawback about this gauge is I don't know why I'm having a problem with it. It might be something I did wrong. But here it is. It's on. Oh, it's not on, but lights up pretty good for the screen. You can see it from here, and it doesn't know. The camera does this no justice. It looks pretty good from here. So looks pretty good. It's visible from every angle I've had it. And, no matter where you set it and where you're sitting in the seat, it looks pretty good and pretty visible. So I just gotta see why my signal isn't kicking on, and hopefully, I don't know, as soon as I unplug it, it has oil pressure, so I might put a manual. I'm gonna probably end up putting a mechanical fuel oil pressure gauge on here if I can't get that to work, because that really annoys me. I don't know where my oil pressure is. So same update as usual. Well, I didn't update this. I took out the dash. We're gonna end up making a dash. I have some plexiglass. I'm gonna spray paint black and put over this whole area. Drill a hole for that gauge. A fuel level gauge, since my tank does come with a fuel level sensor. So fuel level, oil pressure, RPM, and RPM might actually set up here. I'm at well, it depends on where we want it at. We want it visible, so it might sit right there in the middle and have a shift light coming off right here, so it's not obstructing the view of just looking straight, but it's right there in my face. Mustangs are pretty good about the dash being like that. And AFR is probably gonna sit right here somewhere or off to the side. Again, just trying to keep everything good where I'm just looking straight. So we're gonna try to be dialing in a lot of stuff. You know, so same as the last update. TCI shifter, rock racing rocker panel, LED lights. All light up with LEDs. So of course, when that comes on, that's the main power. That comes on. I tried running the gauge as a key, and it gave me a weak output. The power wasn't. It was like I think it was like it wasn't giving me much voltage, and the light was really dim. But as soon as I go into this one, the light was pretty clear. I tried wiring it to the dimmer switch, and the same thing. It didn't like it. It was really dim light. So I'm guessing it's some along the lines of it not liking. I mean, it needs like real 12 volts. So it has a fuse in there. Don't worry, it's not running to direct 12 volt. None of this is. All this has fuses in line behind it. So I'm not at risk of blowing anything. I'm not trying to blow anything. It's all money that I spend, and I don't want to fuck up anything just being stupid running constant 12 volt. There's a fuse. There's a fuse in line, and there's gonna be a fuse out there soon. Another fuse just to make sure. So a total of probably 6 fuses just to keep it. And there's only 3 things hooked up right now. Power running right here. Start button, ignition coil, and then fuel pump. So keep it real simple, and try not to blow anything up. Try not to melt anything. We're not in the business of spending money for no reason. So, dog I just rescued. So we're gonna I guess that's it. Turbo's still same T3 from the last build that we did with the 4.6. You got an adapter, but that adapter sits it up higher than the hood, so we're gonna probably end up just either getting a T4 turbo, or most likely what's gonna happen is we're gonna do both. We're gonna either get T4 first and see how the engine sits, or get lower engine mounts. We found some engine mounts that are a little lower than that. Those protrude a little out too far, so try to get this engine lower in there, along with the transmission mount to line up, which I'm ordering from eBay. It's an adjustable one for this engine, and it fits just about it. Like I said, it's adjustable. It slides back and forward to where you need it to be. So there is no guessing, there's no measuring, making your own transmission mount, cross member mount. This is going to be fully adjustable cross member. So no guessing, no guesswork, no measuring, and keep everything safe. So I guess that's it. Everything I've done. We're gonna try to be doing some stuff soon. It's just, I know I keep saying soon. It's just gotta take care of things first before I can do this stuff. Legal issues, other crap in my life, but you gotta go through when you don't do the right thing some days. So, or when you're being stupid, or a little bit of both. So put the paper towel in here. Well, you know what? Just take that back in the house. Stuff that down in here. Keep any buggies up out of here. That's one thing I can say about Texas. All the bugs. So I guess we're going to end the video right here with me plugging this thing up with some paper towels. My wife's gonna be pissed at me because she doesn't know this is where a lot of paper towels go some days. I'm just kidding. A lot of gloves go here, but she likes using the mechanic gloves. I don't care. If I got them, I'm using them. If I don't, well, fuck it. I don't mind getting dirty. She needs to have them around the yard for yard work. I don't care. So, end the video right here, and I'll get back to you with the next update on what's going on and how we're gonna get down the track.